Do you know what these are? I know they look like cherry, but they're not cherry. Sorry, they're not cherry. Those are Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Do you know how they're grown? That's how they're grown. Yeah, these are actually ready, almost ready. These are, yeah, almost ready to be used. Yeah, ready to be picked. Yeah. The Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper has many colors. They come in orange, red, they sometimes remain green, and yes, they do have lots of vitamins and minerals. They do have vitamins A, C, also niacin, magnesium, iron. Yes, they are loaded with iron. And yes, they are great for pickles and stews and all of those good stuff. Did you know? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media platforms.